Cinemagraph, Diptyque, Snapseed, Hyperlapse, Square Size, Lumiere, Pink Jointer, Pixelor, VSCO. I have 99 apps that I use with my Facebook, and it's a big deal because when you use your Facebook page to actually get an app, you provide the app developer a lot of information regarding your privacy parameters and stuff. So today I'm going to show you how you can take care of that and make sure that you don't share what you don't want to share. Because this is the time where Facebook is revising all the privacy parameters. So number one, I want to show you that this week, I'm going to show you in my screen in a second. Right there, this week, Facebook did a major announcement here. I want to show you the other way. Here we go. Make it bigger if I can. Give me a second so that you can see better. Where are you, little page? It's right there. Yeah, I'm going to make it bigger. So this is how our settings is going to show up now. Some of you may have the new setup. I don't, but oops, here we go. So you can see the before or now on the left. It's the general section here versus how it's going to look, or maybe it looks already for some of you. Let me know in the comment section if you have that new settings display on your Facebook page. So today we're going to really focus on how you protect your privacy with Facebook apps. So let's go right away to your Facebook profile, because you use your Facebook profile to connect with some apps or download some apps. So first, I'm going to ask you to ask me questions here. Look at that. Ask a question in the comments, because this is how I know that you're here, you watched it, and if you watch the replay, you can still ask your question. I'm gonna keep checking my messages, whether you're on YouTube, on Facebook, or somewhere else. Make sure you ask me questions. So here's how you do it. You go to your Facebook page, and I'm gonna show you right away. So I need to remove this. Let's remove this, and then bring the other one to broadcast. And I'll show you. Perfect. So that's how you do it. You go to your profile, and then I just need to find my profile here. Oh, it's right there. I'm gonna make it bigger too for you. Oops. You don't need to see this. Plus. You go and you find the little arrow right there. I hope you can see. I'm gonna check how it shows in the BeLive TV screen to make sure you see what I'm. Yeah, I'm glad I checked, because you don't really see the arrow right there. I'm gonna make it smaller so that you can see it better. Yeah, you should see better now. Yes. So you have the arrow right there. You click on it, and then there is a menu coming down. And you might not see it because it's very small. I'm gonna make it one shot bigger. But at the bottom of that menu, it says, sorry, where are you? Hide this. Sorry. Okay, Facebook, come on. Yeah, right there. It says settings. So in the settings here, you click on settings right there. And this is where the magic happens. Right now it looks like that, but very soon it will look differently, because Facebook is saying that they want to make sure that it's easy to access, which is not really the case right now. So once you have your settings open, right there it says apps. So you click on apps, and then you're gonna see like all the apps that you've downloaded through Facebook. So for me, I think I have 90. There are all of those. So this is something you can do right now, even before Facebook changes the way it's displayed. For example, I go to, let's say I check this, an easy one. Let's do iPhoto, for example. So you click on there, on Edit Settings, iPhoto. And then you have an option here. Do you want the app visibility and post audience to be only public, only me, custom, your friends? I always try to put only me. Okay, so you don't have a choice but provide your public Facebook profile to the app. Do you want them to send you messages or not? You don't have to allow it. Oh, so it kind of changed already on mine here, a little bit, not everything. Yeah, so you decide, yeah, it's already kind of changed. And then you decide what the app can see from your Facebook page, your notes, your status, your groups, your hometown, your interests, your friends and stuff like your friend list. Oh, this one is required. That's interesting. So for some ads, there are some required stuff, and for some there is none. So Facebook is changing all of that. I'm just gonna go back to another one so that you see maybe an easier one, because this one was for photos. So what about Be Live TV? Here we go, edit settings. It's only me. Photos, I don't have to share my photos, so I can remove it. My email, that I don't have to give them my email if I don't want it, but I want it because I want to be in the loop. They don't have to see my post. They don't have to access to the groups I manage, but they do because I do Facebook Live in my groups, right? So you really have to go through each of your apps and figure out what you want or not the app to know about you, your friends, your Facebook page, your profile, etc. So this is really, really easy to do. Just go to your settings. At the bottom, it says, no, you go to the little arrow at the right corner of your Facebook profile. Then there is a menu going down. There is settings at the very far end. And then once you did your settings, you go under apps. And then you see all the apps you've downloaded. You're going to be surprised. And then you make sure that you make it public, private, and you check each item and decide. So I hope this helps. In the meantime, keep an eye on the new announcements that Facebook is making, all the changes. And if you have any question, you let me know. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Angélique Binet, founder of Social Media Love, and I help people to get the confidence they need to use social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and more to share their message to the world, to get the right audience, to get the right clients, etc., etc. So tune in. Make sure that you leave me a comment in the comment section. Like it if you've learned something today, and share it, because when you share it, more people are gonna learn about how they can protect their privacy. Okay? Have a good day. Ciao, ciao.